Okay, sorry, got cut off on the last video, so let's explain these last two problems together and then we'll be done. I'm going to take each one of my answer choices and I'm going to put it in the blank. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if I can factor it. What can I take out of this? I can take an x out and I have left x minus 2y. That is not the x plus 2y that I need. This first thing I have to do, I have to distribute my negatives. That's going to become plus 2y. I don't have anything I can take out of that, so this one would have no factor. For this one, difference of two perfect squares. So one's going to be plus, one's going to be minus. Square root of x squared. Square root of 4y squared is 2y. 2y. That looks good because that's what I'm looking for. So this could possibly be one of my answers. And then the last one, I don't have a square, so I can't take anything out, no factors. So the only one that's possible is the 4y squared. On the next one, I'm looking to see what could be a missing term or a factor of the expression. All right, I'm going to go back and I wrote these out. So I changed my expression. So I want this to be one of my factors. So I want x squared y to be one of my factors. And all I did was take all four of my answer choices and I put those in the space of the blank. So plus 3y. The only thing that I can take out of this is a y. And when I take that out, I'm left with 8x cubed y plus 3. That's not going to be a factor. What can I take out of this? Well, I can take out a 4. I can take an x and a y out. And I'm left with 2x squared y plus 3. So far, I'm not finding this as one of my factors. Okay? So keep going. What can I take out of this? I can't take a number, but I can take an x squared y out. Oh, this is looking good now. When I take that out, I have an 8x y plus 3. Here, what can I take out? I can take out a 4x squared y, and I'm left with 2xy plus 3. Look fairly close, but the only one where x squared y is a factor is when I add 3x squared y to it. So this is going to be my missing expression. Takes a little time to try all four of your answers, but you only have one or two of those on your test, so it shouldn't be that difficult. Good luck on your test.